Hello, Team TFT, and welcome back to another Daily Market Outlook video. Welcome back to the new starting week, and we're going to start off here with the US dollar currency index. Now, if we have a look at our financial calendar, we are, as of tomorrow, or leading into tomorrow night and Thursday morning, we actually have the federal funds rate and the FOMC statement and press conference. So they are anticipating another rates rise there again. So, and every time we get a rates rise, the US dollar gets stronger and the currency that it's paired with obviously gets a little bit weaker. So basically that's going to affect our outlook for this week. As for today, what do we got here? Tuesday today. Not a lot of news here for us today. So everything should be pretty good for trading. So I'll jump back over to the charts and get into some analysis. So basically on the 4-hourly chart here, which is where I like to get my sort of macro perspective from, we're creating a few here. We've got a high, a low, a high, a low, and then we've pushed up for a high. Okay, so we are very bullish at the moment, but in saying that as well, we have been a little bit bearish recently. But again, this being the US dollar currency index, the Dixie, we could actually be seeing this because we are still within this internal leg. Until the bottom of this leg here is broken, we are still classified as bullish. So basically what we could be actually seeing here at the moment is the finish of an A, B, C correction down to what was ultimately the 702. And then we could be looking to push up, especially with the news this week from the RBA. No, sorry, the American news there for the dollar, the federal funds rate coming in, that we could be looking at going further bullish. So we have tapped into this really strong supply area here. Obviously we saw a first tap, quite a big impulse away, come back down, a deeper tap, and we are starting to see that pull away again. So as discussed, I am looking now for further strength in the dollar pushing up, which then leads into our first trading pair for the day, the euro. So the euro USD is obviously very much a mirror image of the Dixie, and it is very bearish at the moment. So basically what I'm looking for now is, with this news coming forward, I'm actually looking for this as being the same thing. We've had this impulse down, low, high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then we've started this ABC correction. We came up into ultimately what was a daily, I think it was daily. Yeah, we look at this perfectly into this daily candle. Where's this daily candle here? Came perfectly up into this daily candle, and now we're starting to see a direction. So we've a rejection here. So basically this is what we're looking for now. I am currently bearish on the euro, so let's start dropping down some time frames and see if we can get an idea of what's going on here. So basically, as you can see, we've had that daily push into the daily. We've started breaking structure here on the 1 hour. We broke structure here, and we've also broken structure here, coming down on the 1 hourly. So we are definitely looking at some bearish intent here. Now down to the 30-minute. If it loads, there we go. 30-minute here, we are looking for. We've had quite a big impulse down. I've already marked this area out here, which is close to this old trend line. We have seen, a bit of rejections off this trend line. This is our first real break of that trend line, so we could be coming out to see a retest of that trend line and an area in here on this half-an-hour candle. In here, we could be seeing a retest into that supply zone, and then coming further short. So for me today, we'll drop down in the 15-minute, finish our analysis here on the euro. I am personally looking for what should hopefully be a push back up into this area and a pullback down. We do also have within that area is the 300 large quarter. The 300 large quarter there, so large quarter level. So I will be looking for trades around that area, based around my trading plan and my entry strategies. I'll be looking for that as my trade setup. Okay, so that's my outlook for today. Or second to that, we could see a further push down out of, if we see a turn here shortly and we don't break this structure, this Asian high, we could see a push down, a retest back to the midline before pulling back down again. So that's my euro bias for today. Bearish. I'm hoping for this retest back up into around this trend line and looking for further shorts. Now, GU, this is a new one they're going to start bringing in, guys, a look at GU. So we'll jump back out onto the higher time frames again. So if we look here, we'll actually go to the daily to start with. So I'll just recenter this screen up. Okay, so we had this last bullish candle. We can see we've had a correction up here. We've had a beautiful tap into this on the daily, and now we are ultimately moving now, rejecting and starting to move lower. So again, bit bearish on GU, and also with the Dixie news coming later this week with the RBA rates. Obviously, we should see a bit of loss of strength here in the GU pair. So we'll jump down to the hourly time frame here at the moment. So unlike the other pairs, we haven't really seen this really strong rejection here, unlike EU, and we still haven't quite broken this structure point here, which I'd like to see. We could argue that there has been a structure point broken here, right here, through there. I'll tidy that up a bit. Could be a structure point broken through there, but we are definitely turning a bit bearish here on the hourly. So today I would be anticipating hopefully a push further lower, but again, we are also tapping into this little supply zone, this little demand zone here. So we just got to be careful. If we see a break of that demand zone, I'd like to see obviously something like this go on before we go down. Okay, so that's basically what I'd be looking for on GU. GU at the moment hasn't really given us too much. It's kind of just ranged in here for the moment like this. So basically until it decides what it's going to do, whether it decides it's going to go ultimately higher again and find demand here which pushes it higher, or we see it go lower from here, so we could see a little pullback and a lower, and then ultimately this play out. So that's what I would be looking for GU. We'll jump down the 15 minutes, see if there's any areas that we could be looking for to see if something comes out today. We do have a nice little extended wick here, which could see us a little bit of demand here in the market, bit of supply here in the market, but again, not really strong enough for me. I'd like to just wait and see what plays out today on GU before we make any further moves or look at taking any trades on GU. Let's start to get a little bit of a bit more stronger confluence as to which way we are going at the moment. So anyway, guys, that's my analysis for today. Happy trading, guys, and I'll see you on tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching another Daily Market Outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.